In this video, I will teach you how to fix WooCommerce product image size issue. It is so your online store looks clean and professional without stretched or blurry product pictures. So first, you need to go to your website at wordpress.com or your own WordPress installation where WooCommerce is set up, such as this one. This is my specific website that I have created using WordPress. But if you don't have yet a website or an account, make sure to sign up first. But if you already have one, just log into your WordPress dashboard. So inside your dashboard, you can pretty much look at the left-hand menu, which is right here, and scroll down until you see WooCommerce. From there, all you have to do is to select the settings and then go to the products tab, which is right here. This is where you'll adjust or find the option to adjust your product image sizes. Next, all you have to do is to scroll down again here and look for appearance. Then go to customize. And inside the customizer, you just have to click on WooCommerce right here. And then select on product images. In here, you'll see different settings for main image width right here to thumbnail width right here. And whether you want to crop thumbnails. You can adjust this number depending on how you want your store to look. For example, you might set the main image width to 600 pixels, which is like this one. And then thumbnails will be set to 300 pixels right here. Let's say I want this to be 700 and this to be 200 right here. And after adjusting the sizes, you may notice your old photos or product images to still look off. To fix just that, you'll need to regenerate thumbnails. You can just go to plugins and add new. You can also search for regenerate thumbnails and install and activate it. You can just then run the plugin to update all your product images to the new sizes. And once everything is done, save your changes on the upper part of right here, the tab your online store. You can refresh the page and you should now see your product images looking sharp, clean, and properly aligned. So that's all there is today. Hope we helped.